Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day. Thank you for inviting me on IGTV COVID-19 events today. I'm Herlina JL Maturi. I will present my paper with Professor Fatma Lestari with the title Pandemic COVID-19 Local Wisdom Responses Learning from Aceh Province, Indonesia. On my presentation, I will present experience and readiness of Serambi Mekah, Bumi Serambi Mekah, effort for COVID-19 management, acceleration, and local wisdom synergizes with technology. Aceh known as Serambi Mekah, and Serambi Mekah because Aceh has special autonomy and privilege were legitimized on Indonesian law, which is implementation of Islamic Sharia law. The law includes religious life, customary life, education, rule of ulama in local policy making, and Sharia code. Implemented, this law has made Acehnese more obedient to the rules. Aceh is a disaster laboratory in Indonesia. Various natural disasters, one after another, ranging from earthquakes, tsunamis, liquefaction, floods, to volcanic eruptions should force Aceh to be early responses. Aceh has facing some complex natural, non-natural disaster. It makes they have high resilience and strong will. As we know, we still remember the tsunami earthquake in 2004 was the most memorable disaster event owing to the loss of hundreds of thousands of lives and enormous material losses occurred in Aceh. At the end of 2019, first case of COVID-19 has found in Wuhan, China. Aceh government, on January, Aceh government is the first region in Indonesia who has an alert post at Aceh Social Affairs Office and the Aceh Government Liaison Agency in Jakarta. They have early response from another region in Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic in this world, I would like to refresh our memory with some general data about the virus. COVID-19 has attacked 220 countries with 198 million, more than 198 million cases, confirmed cases, with more than 4,000 deaths. Indonesia has 3,440,396 confirmed cases and 2,809,538 has recovered, with 95,723 deaths. In Aceh province has 23,250 confirmed cases with 995 deaths. Here I would like to chronologize COVID-19 on 2020 in Aceh province. From January, at the beginning of the 2020, Aceh is the first region, as I said, Aceh first region who has established an alert post at Aceh Social Affairs Office and at Aceh Government Liaison Agency in Jakarta. And then the government come to Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Republik Indonesia to submit the data of Acehnese students and residents who were in Wuhan at the time. Pointing to, and still on January, at the end of the January, Government Aceh appointing to hospital, namely Zainal Abidin Public Hospital and Cut Mutia Public Hospital as the referral hospital for the pandemic. After submitted the data of the Aceh student to Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Indonesian Foreign Affairs evacuation of Indonesian citizen, including Acehese student who were isolated in city of Wuhan on February. After they back to Indonesia, they were sent to Natuna Island for observation for 14 days. Government Aceh ordered to the people to work from home and study from home, establish a task force for handling COVID-19 on February. At the end of February, entering March, Aceh government declared a provincial scale emergency response status and established a special fund for unexpected expenditures for handling COVID-19. They conducted health laboratory review for the COVID-19 swab test and started campaign on prevention and anticipation on the spread of COVID-19 in Aceh. And the government Aceh add 13 more hospital to referral COVID-19 referral. Forkopimda is mean Forum Komunikasi Pimpinan Daerah announced regarding the application of a curfew in handling COVID-19 and refocusing anggaran for handling COVID-19. Refocusing Aceh Finance for handling COVID-19. On April, they inauguration of the Pinere RSUD Zainal Abidin Outbreak Room for the isolation of COVID-19 patients and distribution of 91,584 food packages for families affected by COVID-19, launching of the COVID-19 examination using the PCR of the Aceh Research and Development Center. At the end of April, the government delivery of basic food packets to the medical team, inauguration of the COVID medical team lodging place, inauguration of a special polyclinic for infectious disease at RSUD Zainal Abidin. Entering May, COVID-19 have a ban, COVID-19 task force, government of Aceh province, have a ban on vehicles and instruction for turning back for travelers by Aceh police. Now we have to, I have something that we can learning from Aceh local wisdom and community empowerment. Community empowerment carried out the mass break in Aceh from liner socializing with 1 million masks by Aceh community leader and traditional leader such as Posyandu, health cadres, and public health workers down to the village level. Aceh, in the past, this disease outbreak hit Aceh, although the rate of spread was not too fast due to limited transportation technology factor. A cholera epidemic hit Aceh at the end of 19th century, brought by Dutch soldier from Batavia. The Acehese called the plague with the name Te'en or Te'et, was adopted from the Arabic Ta'un. The experience of the outbreak gave birth to new knowledge that was passed down from generation to generation as Acehnis local wisdom. Several local wisdom of Acehnis, such as first, they have 7 local wisdom. First local wisdom is salt. Salt is believed to be a medium for the body immunity. In the Acehnis tradition, salt is used as pecicap or taste recognition for babies as well as honey. Salt and honey are believed to have the property of strengthening the body's immune system and antidote to various viruses in the food served. Second local wisdom, Eilam Guci or water in the bowl. Every ancient Acehnis house must have a jug or pot filled with clean water with a dipper in front of the house. People who want to enter the house must clean themselves first to be sterile from dirt or germ. Not only jar, in ancient Acehnis house, there was also a well or bathroom at the front of the house, so people who had just returned had to bath outside the house first before get in the house. Third, it called pakai gacha, interpreting alternative on the finger. This method use mean that the use of henna always keep its distance. When the epidemic hits, the use of the distance between the two has become a symbol. Roman public always keep their distance. They wear henna with difference on fingers. Fourth, pacohanok, chewing betel nut with areca nut and lime. Betel leaf as an antiseptic and antimicrobial is able to kill the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Betel leaf is owned by almost every Acehnis yard and is consumed every day. And the fifth local wisdom, tet lemang, burning lemang from rice to tan became one of the habits of unseen people when faces disease outbreak. Burning lemang signifies that people who can afford must help the poor, get used to sharing, and many other virtues. 6. Isolation of the sick. This tradition is usually carried out during the Te'en epidemic that hit chickens. Chickens that have signs of being infected with the virus must be immediately isolated in a separate cage from other chickens. Then the chickens are given a vaccine known as Menteri Manuk. 7. Hold a prayer. Human limitation in dealing with the epidemic, the Acehnis believe that praying to Allah will provide protection, recommend to read Quran, especially Surah Al-Kahfi, Surah Yasin, and others. Local wisdom in Aceh government, they not just implement the local wisdom, but they synergizing with technology. They have Sapamudi ID website is used to monitor people that traveling in the Aceh region by real-time data. Every people who entering the Aceh have to put the number of handphone, they have to put their data so Aceh government can be track them where they go in the mobility in Aceh region. Aceh government has strong commitment to deal with COVID-19, such as the task force for the acceleration of handling COVID involved ulama and umara, and works closely with university, the Sharia Court and Aceh Customary Council, the Islamic Sharia Service, the Ulama Consultative Council, the PKK, it's women's empowerment, and Forkompinda up to the smallest government unit, it's Walinangru. Appeal from Forkopinda and Ulama were follow up the Gampong or village level by establishing a COVID-19 alert village. In each village, setting up tents for guests who outside to self-isolate for 14 days. Aceh has unique government, institutional structure that is different from other provinces. The smallest unit in Aceh, a government at village, is called Gampong. Therefore, the Gampong becomes the spearheads of the government that directly interact with the community. There have been 4,180 Gampongs in Aceh that have formed the COVID-19 alert response team. 1,467 Gampong have made changes to Gampong revenue and expenditure budget for handling COVID-19. On early May, there was a ban on vehicle instruction for turning back for travelers by the Aceh police. However, under certain conditions, there is a policy for travelers to enter Aceh with the recommendation of the village head or kecik. And the kecik picks up the travelers directly at the checkpoint. After arriving at their hometowns, travelers are required to self-isolate and become the full responsibility of the village head or kecik. The Regency government also instruct the village head or kecik to form a Gampong task force to monitoring people, to supervise people who enter an area, and to carry out quarantine. The traveler have to fill in personal data such as mobile phone number, ID cards number, or family numbers, transportation use, destination, and date of departure, and arrival to the Sapamudik application, which has constructed by Aceh Transportation Service. Thank you. I would like to say thank you in Aceh language. It's called terima kasih deh. Terima kasih. Thank you.